One most important problem I think most Android users have switching to an iPhone is the fact that all your contacts are on your Gmail, and you are thinking of moving your contacts is quite very difficult to do that. But I discovered a way to be able to do all this. So if you are an Android user thinking of moving your contacts from your Gmail, which you backed up to your iPhone, is quite easier to do all that, because this is actually one of the problems I also encountered while thinking of moving my Android contact to my iPhone, and it was very easy for me. So this is what I did. I came to my iPhone settings. Then once you come to settings, you scroll down to apps. Once you get to the app, which is the last part, once you're using the iOS 26, once you click on that, then you also come to contacts. Once you click on this contacts, it's going to ask you click on contacts account, then add account, then you're going to come to Gmail, Google, to be able to add a Gmail account. Then it's going to open a browser once you click it. Then you sign in your Gmail account and your password. Then it's going to bring this. Then you just select all, read, compose, send, and permanent, and all that. So once you click on all of these settings, don't click on one, you click on every one of them. So once you click it, then the next thing it's going to do is going to ask for permission. Once you follow all the necessary permissions and all that, it's going to bring up this mail, contacts, and all that, and notes. So if you have all these things saved on your Gmail account, everything is going to come to your iPhone.